Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelodge by Wyndham Kanab. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Travelodge by Wyndham Kanab is centrally located between southern Utah's most popular national parks. All rooms at Travelodge by Wyndham Kanab have a cable TV, hair dryer, iron and ironing board. Non-smoking rooms are available. The hotel offers laundry facilities, barbecue facilities, and high-speed internet access. Copy and fax services are also available. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.